Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Coffee in English. It's so good to see you today. With me is my good friend and co-host.
It is great to be here. And before we start our topic, I have to ask you, how is the weather today where you are?
That is the perfect question for today. The weather is cold and gray. It really makes me want to stay inside with this warm cup of coffee.
I understand completely. And for everyone watching, the weather is the easiest and best way to start a conversation in English. It's the perfect small talk.
Absolutely. So today, we will teach you some simple, essential phrases to talk about the sun, the rain, and the temperature. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Okay, let's start with sun and clouds. We'll practice some simple questions and answers. I will ask, Person 1, is it sunny outside right now?
No, it is cloudy. Notice I said it is cloudy for today, but yesterday, in the past, it was sunny. Is for now, was for the past. Let's practice that. For today, you say, it is sunny, or it is cloudy.
And for the past, like yesterday, you say, it was sunny, or it was cloudy. Great. Now let's talk about rain. When water is falling from the sky, we say, it is raining.
That's the basic phrase. It is raining. But what if there is a lot of rain? Then you can say, it is raining hard. It sounds much stronger, doesn't it?
It does. And if you go outside when it is raining hard and you forget your umbrella, you will get very, very wet.
And there's a fantastic phrase for that. You can say, I am soaking wet. It means you are completely wet, from your head to your shoes. Let's say that together. I am soaking wet.
Excellent. Now you know about sun, clouds, and rain. Finally, let's talk about temperature. We use two very important words, hot and cold. So, Person 1, is it hot today?
No, it is cold. I need a jacket. And if it is very, very cold, you can use a stronger word. You can say, it is freezing. Brr. That means you feel like you are turning into ice.
And what if it is the opposite? If the sun is very strong and the temperature is high, you can say, it is hot today. Or if it is too much for you, you can say, it is too hot for me.
That's a great phrase. It shows how you feel about the heat. Let's practice that one. Repeat after Person 2.
It is too hot for me.
Great job! You are learning so many useful phrases.
Okay, now let's practice putting these phrases into a short conversation. Imagine we are two strangers waiting for a bus on a day when the wind is moving a lot. I will start. Hello. Wow, the wind is strong today.
Yes, it is very windy. I think the weather is very unpredictable today.
Unpredictable. That is a great word. It means you don't know if it will be sunny or rainy next. The weather keeps changing. So, let me ask you, do you like rainy days?
No, I don't. I prefer when the sun is shining. It just makes me feel happier. How about you?
Me too. I hope it stops raining soon. The sunshine is much better.
I hope so too. And that's it. See, everyone? You just had a simple, natural conversation about the weather. It's that easy.
Now for one final quick cultural tip. This is something you will hear native English speakers say a lot. You might hear someone say, I am feeling under the weather.
Now, this does not mean they are standing outside in the rain. It doesn't mean they are literally under a cloud.
No, definitely not. Under the weather is an idiom. It's a special phrase that means you are feeling a little sick or not well. Maybe you have a small cold or just feel tired.
So if your friend says, I can't come to the party, I'm feeling a bit under the weather, you know that they are feeling sick and need to rest. It's a very common and useful phrase to know.
That is a very useful idiom. So for your practice this week, we have a challenge for you. Tell us in the comments below, how is the weather right now where you are? Write one simple sentence. For example, it is cold and windy, or it is warm and sunny.
Thank you so much for joining us for Coffee and English today. Keep practicing your weather phrases and you will be a small talk expert very soon. You can start a conversation with anyone.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more lessons. We will see you next time. Goodbye!
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.